Hi dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, you are going to watch key answers of second language English state level SLC preparatory examination February 2020. Let us watch it now. Answers. First main, first one answer B adjective, second answer D fertile, third one B doesn't she, fourth D possibility, fifth answer an, sixth one between, seventh one, a song is being sung by Sahana. Eighth answer, iron is more useful than any other metal. Ninth answer, sales. Tenth answer, he is trying to cheat me. 11th, he asked me if I knew the way. 12th, would have. 13, apart. 14th, nightmare. 15th answer was. 16, so. Third main. 17, A deeply. B experiments. Fourth main. 18, his classmates looked at him with respect and his teacher patted on his back. The headmaster said that he was a tree scout. 19, Smita requested Pandit Ravi Shankar to play the sitar for Anant. She told him about her sick brother and how he longed to hear his music. They agreed to play for Anant. 20th answer. When Baleshwar was on the road to take Roma to a nearby hospital, no one stopped their vehicle, but the tempo truck driver stopped his vehicle and took Roma to the hospital. 21. Americans purchased the trees individually from the villagers. 22. She asked if God could protect them on land, would he not protect them on the sea? The little girl brought back hope to the sailors. 23rd answer. Patil, the sub-inspector, gave a warning about the police raid on Mohan's house. He asked to give the machine and papers against the British. He assured to give it back after the raid. Or, from her childhood, Dolma had been fascinated by the grandeur of the snow clad peaks of the Himalayas. Her home in Palchan was surrounded by beautiful mountain peaks. Or, the old folk used to say that happiness was a beautiful bird. It lived far away on a snowy mountain in the east. Wherever the bird flew, happiness went with it. Fifth main, 25th answer. One day Satish was looking out of the window. He saw a beautiful bird through window and he was much attracted by the bird. It had a longish tail and black crest. But the most interesting thing about the bird was its restless energy that made him to take interest in painting and drawing. His father admitted him in one of the best schools of art. Within a short time, he learnt not only drawing and painting but also about the life. 26th. The jazz player, ancient mariner, wrinkled face, sagging stomach, worries about life, faded blue shirt, necktie, run, rundown shoes, old jacket, old alto saxophone hanging with wire coat hanger. He lifts it, bird, fly, become happiest man. So these are the important points for that question. Sixth main, 27. A. Ambedkar, B. He bought books by curtailing his daily needs. He purchased 2000 old books from New York. See that which can't be satisfied. 28th A. USA, UK, USSR. B. Geneva. C. Everyone in the world lived under the threat of annihilation by nuclear weapon. 29. A. Pepe. B. Seaman. C. They were ready to go back to Spain, but Columbus was not ready to do like that. They drank too much. 30th answer. The poet. A. B. Mother India. C. The sun rising or the beauty of nature. 7th Main. 31. Hima Das was born on 9th January 2000 in Dinga. Her parents were Ranjit Das and Jonali Das. She is a great athlete famous for 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter. Her coach is Nipan Das. She has participated in Asian Games and World Under 20 Championship. She was awarded with Arjun Award from Government of India. 8th main answer. 32. On a river bank there was a partridge on a tree. It saw an ant was flowing in the river. So the partridge threw a leaf to save the ant. So the ant climbed the leaf and safely reached the bank by the support of the bird. In the afternoon, the partridge was napping on the tree. A hunter stringed the bow, aiming the bird. The ant saw this and bit the hunter. He cried so the bird woke up and flew away. Ninth main. 33. This picture this picture is about the snake charmer. This is a source of entertainment in village areas. The people watching the charmer and his tricks. 34. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. Or you talk of wondrous things you see, you say the sun shines bright, I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? 11th main. 35. A. By showing science related videos like the habits and customs of animals, insects, fish, germs, and numerous other branches of scientific life. B. We can show historical films, science related videos, and other subject related videos to the students. So, cinema is a valuable teaching aid. 12th. 36. Grandma climbs at 62, learned at 6. Brother, people advised stop climbing, run down gracefully, laughed disgracefully, one day climbed, failed, rescued, doctor advised, weak bed rest, felt strong, demanded house, son built, lived happily. Or these are the very important points for that answers. Next, or question answer. Land weight man by land patience Carlot eyes someone plows grass trees children dance come with guns chain link necklace chalks self assertion you cannot put fence around the planet Earth weight. So these are the some important points. Or question answer. When the astronaut enters the space capsule, he would be alone in his capsule. Nobody would visit him, nor would he have any friend near him. He would be all alone. He would not write any letters, nor would he receive any. He would be like a prisoner. So thanks for watching this video.